Disapproval of the proposed bill. The proposed bill seeking to extend the presidential term and make other amendments to our constitution is nothing but a childish attempt to undermine our democracy. Ndisatapita mashoko kuda panguva ino achinzi Zimbabweans reject childish bill to extend the presidential term. Notable subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The 2013 constitution came into effect after a referendum in which the majority of Zimbabweans voted for what they wanted, giving it a popular mandate. We cannot allow our constitution to be manipulated and altered by a mere handful of fewer than 500 people who occupy seats in both the upper and lower houses of parliament. As Zimbabweans, we categorically reject this proposal as it serves no benefit to the people of Zimbabwe. This bill is a blatant attempt to subvert the will of the people and to perpetuate a system of governance that is contrary to the principles of democracy and accountability. We stand united in our opposition to this bill and demand that our leaders respect the constitution and the sovereignty of the people. Concerned citizen Guilford Gomwe ndiwo mashoko mudatoka panguva ine naGomwe achiti aiwa macitizens ari kuzviramba izvi hatikangoiti ifulfilla mawishes evanhu vari less than 500 vanotonoka kunzi maparliamentary positions they are occupying mamwe acho asitombori avo zvinoda kuti mamwe mapositions vakarekula vanhu vakavhoterwa nevanhu. Panguva ino kunyazi kunoka kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF nezvigananda zvoda kunyazi kutora advantage aiwa yekuda kungosatisfya zvido zvavo nekudya mari yenyika vari voga. Ndine comment section miripoti dzamafunguro enyu pamusoro penhau iyi iri kunoka kunzi mhuri yese yeZimbabwe haisi kufara aiwa nethis bill aiwa riri kupushwa naZiyambi. Ndine comment section medu dzafunguro enyu, subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.